Hello friends, welcome to Node.js tutorial. My name is Jagdish. Today in this video we will learn how to pass data from command line. Here I am write console.log and write process. Process is the object dot argument vector arg v. Save this and run application by using command node index.js and press enter. It gives the two property. After that write command node index.js and write here hello. Now it gives the three property. It also print the hello. I am write again index node index.js hello. I am write here hi. It also prints the hi. In this way we can pass the data. Now how to get this value hello and hi? Simply write here 2. It prints the hello. I am write here 3. Again run application. It prints the hi. In this way we can pass the data. Now we will see how we can create file with the help of input. Firstly import file system module. I am write const fs equals to require fs. After that I am write const input process dot argument vector. After that write fs dot write file sync. Write file sync is the method of file system. After that I am write here input 2. Input 2 is the name of file. After that I am write input and pass parameter 3. Input 3 is the data of file. Save this. After that run application by using command node index.js. Name of file I am write here sample.txt. Input 2. After that I am write input 3 data of file. I am write this is sample file and press enter. Sample.txt file is successfully created and it contains data. This is sample file. Now we will see how we can delete this file. Open index.js file. I am write here if condition if input 2 equals to add. cut this and paste inside the if condition, and here I am pass parameter 3 and here 4. After that, else if input 2 equals to double equals to remove, apex dot unlink sync and pass input parameter is 3. Else console.log invalid. Save this file and run application by using command node index.js first parameter is add. After that, create one file. I'm right here sample1.txt, and here is some data of that text file. I'm right here sample file text. Press enter. Sample1.txt file is successfully created and it contains data sample file text. Now remove this file from our application, or we can say how we can delete this file. Write command node index.js remove. I want to delete sample.txt file. Right here sample.txt and press enter. Sample1.txt file is successfully deleted. After that, I want to delete sample1.txt file. Write command node index.js remove sample1.txt and press enter. Sample1.txt file is successfully deleted. In this way, we can pass data from command line, also create a file by using command line, and also delete file from command line. Like video and subscribe my channel for upcoming video. Thanks for watching.